Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking your bank account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to send money from PayPal to PayPal, you don't actually need to link your bank account. You can simply log in and access to your PayPal account either through a website or the app. Now you need to simply initiate a payment by choosing Send and Request or the equivalent option on the app or website. Once you have done this, you need to now simply enter the recipient's details, like enter the other PayPal account's email address, phone number, or PayPal username, and simply specify amount and details. Once this is done, you need to now confirm the details by reviewing the payment details. Now simply select a payment method and choose your PayPal balance as the payment method if available. After this, you need to confirm the payment and it will be sent from your PayPal balance to the recipient's account without the linking bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.